Hello, how to solve this is 6 power k equals k power 18. We solve for the value of k that satisfies this equation. Now, let's eliminate this exponent here. To eliminate this, I need to remove this k by multiplying the exponent by 1 over k. 6 power k raised to the power of 1 over k equals k power 18. The same thing, raised to the power of 1 over k. You have a power x power y equals a power x times y. So this is 6 power k over k equals k power 18 divided by k. You multiply this, you multiply this. K divided by k is 1. So we have 6 power 1 equals k power 18 divided by k. Now, the next step will be for us to also eliminate this 18. Now, to achieve that, we multiply the exponent by 1 over 18. So we have 6 power 1 over 18 equals k to the power of 18 divided by k raised to the power of 1 over 18. We consider the same identity again. A power x power y equals a power x times y. We multiply this. So we have 6 power 1 over 18 equals k power 18 times 1. That is 18 divided by 18k. This, eliminate this. So right now we have 6 power 1 over 18 equals k power 1 over k. Now, let's bring in 1 here. I can have 6 power 1 times 1 over 18. 1 times 1 over 18 is the same thing as 1 over 18. And this equals k power 1 over k. Instead of writing 1 here, I can bring the equivalent of 1, which is 2 over 2, and set it here. Because I want this 6 here to be the same as this, so that we can compare this and this. So that means we have 6 to the power, this is 2 over 2 times 1 over 18. And this equals k power 1 over k. So from here, we have 6 power 2 times 1, that is 2 divided by 2 times 18. We have 36 equals k power 1 over k. Let's factor out 2 here. I have 6 power 2 times 1 over 36 equals k power 1 over k. So right now, I have a power x times y. This equals a power x to the power of y. So right now, I'm going to have 6 power 2 to the power of 1 over 36 equals k power 1 over k. And from here, 6 power 2, that's 36. By 6 times that's 36 to the power of 1 over 36 equals k power 1 over k. When you have a power 1 over a equals b power 1 over b, you can cross multiply, but before then, a, b, b. So you can easily compare this exponent. You have 1 over a equals 1 over b, then you cross multiply. A times 1, that is a. B times 1, that is b. That means a equals b. So doing the same thing here, 36, 36, k and k. We compare these two. So we have 1 over 36 equals 1 over k. Then if we cross multiply, k times 1, that is k equals 36 times 1, that is 36. And it is the value of our k. You can also decide to verify if this particular value of k will satisfy this equation. Our k is 36. So let's insert it right here. We have 6 power k equals k power 18. So you have 6 power k is 36 equals this is 36 power 18. So what do? We have 6 power 36 equals 36 is a perfect square. That is 6 power 2. This is to the power of 18. And remember, a power x power y equals a power x times y. Multiply these two exponents. You have 6 power 36 equals 6 power 2 times 18. That is 36 as well. This and this are the same. So it's in fact, if you want to also compare these to this, what you need to do is, this is 6 power 36 equals 36 power 18. 36 is 2 times 18. So you have 6 power 2 times 18 equals 36 power 18. And remember, a power x times y is a power x or power y. So this is 6 power 2 power 18 equals 36 power 18. And from here, 6 power 2, that is 6 times 6. So we have 36 power 18 equals 36 power 18. This and this are the same. So guys, this is it, and this is how you solve this exponential problem. So that's it. Thank you and goodbye.